Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Araceli. I wanted to start out this video by thanking you guys so much for 15,000 subscribers. Now, this was a goal that I had for June and I hit it yesterday, so I'm super excited because I do work really hard in putting out videos and doing all this stuff. Not just for you guys, but for myself as well. I do put some incentives out there for myself, so my goal for 15,000 was to reward myself with some editing software. So if you guys notice a little difference in this video, it's because I got my software, I tried it out. If not, I got frustrated and I said forget it, and so disregard it. Again, thank you so much for 15,000 subscribers. Help me get to 25K. My goal is for June, so hopefully we get there. But for today, I'm going to be doing 3 different DIYs. Everything I'm going to use is from the Dollar Tree. I believe 100% unless I say otherwise. Everything I'm going to make is going to be spring decor for my porch. Now with any DIY, if you guys want to try it out, you can change it, imagine it, do it, whatever, to your liking and your taste, because of course not everybody has my taste or style, and I don't expect everybody to have the same things. So work it to however you like. But for now, I will start with the first one. I'm going to try to make these really quick and easy to follow. Hopefully. It's my channel, you never know. So I'll start with the first one, alright? As a reminder, everything I'm using for these DIYs are from the Dollar Tree, unless I state otherwise. So for this first one, what you're going to need is 2 of these white candle holders. They have the chalky finish. They have white and black at the Dollar Tree. 2 of these green jars. They also have different colors and they have the twine wrapped around them. I also got a set of these LED lights, which require 2 AAA batteries each, also from the Dollar Tree. These I already had. I'm going to be using my E6000 glue and then also my hot glue gun. Okay, so I just put the batteries in this one, and it also comes with a little base to stand it on. As you can see, it's working. One of them is not. One of my lights came out defective, which is really super annoying, but that's okay. We'll continue with that. And then again, you just put the base on there and you just twist the light to turn on and turn off. So I'm going to put some of my E6000 glue on the candle holder. And look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's coming out everywhere else other than the spot that I want it to come out of. Alright, well I guess I'll just squeeze it from that end. That is ridiculous. Okay, after the E6000 glue, I'm going to put a good amount of hot glue. And all you're going to do after that is set your candle right in there. You can glue it, but you don't have to. That way it's easier for you to take out. And then again, you can just turn it on and put it right in there. Okay, so for this DIY, I purchased one of these clear plates, 2 of these planters, 2 floral foams, one of the round, one of the ring ones, and just 1 square. I have some green floral moss and then also some Spanish moss and some greenery. I don't know really which ones I'm going to use, but I got a bunch of them. I'll show you. And then I also purchased this plant hanger. Now, my idea for this was to put a welcome sign right here. I was going to purchase one from the Dollar Tree, but I actually have one that I made that I'm going to be using. So, first thing I'm going to do is take my very first planter here, flip it upside down, and glue it. So I'm going to be using both E6000 glue and then also my hot glue. And I'm going to stick the cube one right in between that one. I am going to put a bunch of hot glue right at the bottom there, and just a really good amount here. So the purpose of that one is so that I can stick the planter hanger right in between. Just take your flowers and arrange them any way you want. For the finishing touch on this one, I'm going to be adding one of my handmade signs. On one side it says welcome, and on the other it says go away. So depending on how friendly I'm feeling, that's the side that I'm going to put. Alright, so for this DIY, I may be reaching just a tiny bit, but we'll see how it comes out, okay? You're going to need a piece of trellis, 2 frames. I got 2 4x6 frames, and they have the same design on them. And then I also got this silver platter, the rectangle silver platter, E6000 glue, and hot glue. And I'm going to go ahead and take my frames, open them up, and then just take that out and just leave the glass. So that idea was, I took it off, it's all messy now, but it's all right. I'm gonna redo this. I wish I would have bought more frames, but I didn't, so I'm just gonna try to clean this off as best I can. Okay, so here goes plan B. I got 2 of these trays. So I'm gonna glue one like that. Basically, I'm just gonna take my hot glue, put some right on that frame right there, flip it over, glue it on there, press it down. But I know that's not gonna hold all the way, so I'm just gonna put a bunch of hot glue like right over it and on the ends. I told you, I warned you I was reaching, so I don't want to hear it. Alright, so as you can see how very ugly that is, but I actually think it's going to hold. So after that's dry on there, these frames are going to go like that, and that's going to go on top. And so once again with my E6000 glue, hopefully this time it works. I'm going to go right on top of that. And then once that's dry, I'll put more glue right in here. Let's take that E6000 glue. I'm going to press that right in there. Alright guys, so that is it for these 3 DIYs. If you saw, there was actually an extra one in there, but it was just the little tin bucket thing that had flowers and garden or whatever, and then I just added some flowers to it. So, and there's nothing like the DIY struggles, as you could see with that little bench that I try to make. And again, learn from my mistakes and do whatever's easiest for you. So with that said, that is it, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave your comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.